Hi there, lovers of moderately priced electric bikes. This is the second video. I did another video where I showed my brand new, well now it's 3-month-old, Nakto Spark e-bike, and a few people wanted to see some more things about it, so here's a follow-up. This is the battery for it. See, it's got a handle, keys, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. Just if you decide to buy this one, you know what you're getting involved in. Here it is, and it is pretty heavy. Luckily it's got this cool handle right here. So make sure the pedals are out of the way. Open it up. This little mechanism here, you pull up on it. You can push it in, and then you push this down. It goes right in this little nook here. You can open up the pedals, pull the handlebar thingy up, and then this just clicks up. Whenever you're closing it, there's a little pull thing on this side. You pull it up and they come back down. So the cords are wound pretty nice with the really kind of a hard wrapping. There's the light, which won't work until I put the battery in. There's a handle right in the middle for lifting. I put the kickstand down. Okay, so the seat, there's a little, the seat quick release is here. So just pull it up. You can tighten or loosen it if you need, if the seat starts to go down when you're sitting on it, you can make it tighter. So you just pull it up. You don't get much seat post, but I'm sure you can buy a longer one. It's good enough for me. Someday I wouldn't mind getting a little bit longer one since I'm pretty tall. So just put it here, close it, and then underneath there's a latch. You can lift the seat up, put the battery in. So the battery goes, keys are facing out, and it just slides down. I put a bag on the luggage rack where I keep my bike locked. So that's something you can get. It slides down in, locks, close the handle and push it down. And then on the keys, you turn the key twice. Once is off, and then you click it up, and you can see the battery indicator, the lights light up. There's 3, full, medium, and empty. I've never had it lower than medium. So, and you're ready to go. Let me grab the camera for my assistant. Yeah.
I'm going inside,
okay, thanks. Okay, here we go. I bought one of these cat-eye speedometers. It comes down to a magnet. There's a little a wire. I didn't want to do the wireless one because then you have a battery on the wheel and up here. This one only has a battery here. Let's see what else. Here's the horn. Light off. That's what it looks like from the front. Here's the wheels. Brakes. They're specialized brake handles because they have sensors in them. So if these break, you can go to Nakto, I think it's ebike.com, but you can look it up. They go to their website. They sell the handles, the controller, another battery. Last I checked, a new battery was 200, I think. So there it is. It's a lithium ion. I forget how many amp hours, 10 I think. Here's the hub motor. This, whenever you fold it up and throw it in your trunk, this will get a lot of wear, but luckily it seems pretty sturdy. I always try to watch this sensor wire when I'm putting it in. Here's the rear brake. It's not a disc, it's like a hydraulic brake, which I haven't looked into what it's like changing the brake pads on that. Hopefully somebody has a video about that, or I'll have to take it into the shop. Regular, the front Front brakes are regular, they're side pull, so I can replace those brake pads. Okay, so I'm going to take it for a spin and show you how fast it goes, what the speed is like, you know, whenever you get it, how fast you can go on the flat. Okay, here it goes. Here's the throttle. Just turn it a bit. You can hear it. So at 6, that was a little bit of a hill. So here we go. Probably can't see the speedometer and the road. Up to 14, 17. Almost hit 20. Need some kind of gimbal or something so it doesn't shake all over the place. Pedaling now, just to give it a hand. Here's the pedal assist. See if I click that. With the pedal assist, if I push it and don't turn the throttle and I'm pedaling, it'll start to go. Say, whoa, we're taking off. Oh, now it's stopping. So I like to take it out and just use the throttle. So you turn. Here. Now we're on some flat. Oof. Okie dokie. And that's how it works. I can get, well, I rode 6 miles easily on flat and the battery didn't go down one click. So I'm guessing you can get between 15 and 20 miles unless you're doing a lot of hills, and you can go hit 20 on the flat. Up hills you have to help it out a bit. So downhill, since you only have one gear, you do have a theoretical limit of speed. I think I was able to hit 34 going down, but you know, since you don't have 26th gear, you can't pedal like mad. So people will pass you downhill, but you can catch them going up. Anyway, that's about it. 1-year warranty on the battery. You know, all the components they supposedly will send out stuff if it breaks, and if you don't know how to put it on, I'm not sure what you do there, but hopefully I won't have to find out. So give me a bunch of likes and subscribe. I'll try to put out some more videos about this, and let me know if you have any questions, and I can answer questions or put up another video if there's something else you want to see. Thank you.